Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie. In this video, I'm gonna recommend 3 Chinese stories about superpowers and adventures for you guys, and the last one was one of the best blockbusters. The first one is called 西游记, 西游记, Journey to the West. This is one of the 4 classical novels in Chinese literature history, and there are many TV dramas about it. The one I'm recommending is actually its animation. It's about the adventure of a monk named Tang Seng and his 3 apprentices, or followers or students, and how they survived many trials and combats to get the Buddhist sacred texts. It seems to be about fighting various demons and monsters, but in fact it's more than that. It's full of Chinese mythology, Confucianism, Buddhism, Taoism, and many more. And the animation is very fun to watch with great music. And since it's for kids, the language is relatively easy, so it's quite a good material for you to learn Chinese. The second one is called 哪吒之魔童降世, 哪吒之魔童降世, also known as 哪吒, 哪吒.
能出门又没人陪我玩，除了看风景我还能干啥？
那跟娘说说你都看到些什么风景啊？
是啊，说花草啊，那不是看人裸奔啊。
And it's about this mischievous little boy 哪吒 who won't leave his fate to destiny and fights for his life. 哪吒 is quite naughty and very powerful at the same time, so people are kind of scared about him. So you'll see many funny stories. I remember I couldn't stop laughing when I was watching it in cinema, and the story and settings were beyond your imagination. It's like Harry Potter, you know, and it will open up a whole new world for you. The last one is called 流浪地球, 流浪地球, The Wandering Earth, and this is one of the best Chinese movies in history. Unlike the previous 2, which are about Chinese, mythology superpowers, this one is about futurist sci-fi superpowers.
木星已经被点燃了，我们终于成功了。
It's about human beings escaping into universe because the sun was a threat to the earth. But in the adventure of the new home, the earth was caught by another planet, so they had to make great efforts and huge sacrifices so that human beings could survive and live on. This is one of the biggest blockbusters ever in Chinese movie history, and if you are into sci-fi, adventures, and universe, you have to watch this one. Alright guys, this is all for today. I'll put the names below in the description box so you can go and check it out. In the meantime, come house me on my Instagram and website to learn Chinese. My name is Sukie, and I'll see you next one. Bye!